Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make a scrunchie. Okay, so all we need is our hook. So I will be using my 4 millimeter hook, okay, and one elastic and your yarn. Okay, so it's up to you if you are going to use different color, okay, and you need your color yarn. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to begin with, okay, so we are going to make our slip knot. Okay, and we're going to single crochet. Okay, we're just going to continue single crochet until we single crochet all these elastic band all around. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys if how many single crochet I did. Okay guys, so I have made 50 single crochet, and we are going to slip stitch into the first chain. Okay, and before we do that, before we close it off, I'm going to change my yarn. Okay, so I'm going to insert my white yarn, okay, and slip stitch, continue doing the slip stitch to close it. Okay, and then we're going to chain 3. So after we had 3, okay, in the same stitch, okay, we are going to make a double crochet. Okay, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and after that, in the next stitch, double crochet. Okay, so with this one, I'm just going to tie it up. Okay. Okay, and I will continue my work. Okay, so putting double crochet in the same stitch, the next 3 double crochet, okay, just give me a second guys, that's my yarn get twisted. Okay, so that's 2, 3, so just continue making double crochet. Okay, so 3 double crochet in every stitch until you finish the row. So 1, 2, 3, the next just going to continue this. Okay, until the end of this row. Okay guys, so I will be working this all the way and I'll let you finish yours. Okay, and I'll come back when I'm finished my row. Okay, so just put three double crochet in each stitch all around, and I'll come back when I finish my row. Okay guys, so I am done. Okay, so we are just going to slip stitch into the third chain. 1 2 3. Okay, and before we slip stitch that, okay, I'm going to change into green, as it is Christmas, so I want to give that 1 2 3. Okay, so after that I'm just going to tie this up. 1 2. Okay, and then we are going to, so we have 1 2 3, okay, 4 5 chain there. Okay, and in the same stitch we are going to so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and then we're going to single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, single crochet. Okay, so we have that. One, two, three, 4 5 6 7. Okay, so we are just going to chain 7 and then single crochet into every chain. 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I will do this guys, and I will meet you back up when I'm done. Okay, so as you can see, this like really cute. Okay, I will meet you back up when I'm done, guys. Okay guys, so I am done, and look at that. That is super cute. Okay, so you just have to cut this off and then wave in ends. Okay, but that is how it looks like. That is really good. It is very, very good at this Christmas. Okay, so hopefully guys you like this video, and if you do, please leave huge thumbs up, and if you want, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll get notified every time I will get I'll upload a new video. Okay, thank you very much guys, and see you to the next video. Bye.